Charlotte 6047 Indy Soon, descend and maintain for 210.
Indy, great afternoon, Bush 5145, 184-230, looking if we can get direct comedy.
Okay, I think two people called
Come through
on there.
10,000.
Blue Sheet
Recog lights
5145, will you
on,
check
air
down climb
super
23?
open.
Hey,
Fuel
affirmative,
sufficient
good
balance,
afternoon,
landing
Bush
field
5145,
elevation set. We've already
182-230,
briefed in the
if you don't
visual.
mind.
3-1 backed up by the RNAV
I'll take a look.
131.
I'll have to see what the other
And
Charlotte's doing.
threats.
Stand by. Break. Other aircraft unanswered.
First
Go.
flight today. Checks.
One 768 Golf. Climb maintain 11,000.
Descent checklist complete. Sweet.
Indy Center, sir, 616 Charlie Whiskey.
Charlie Whiskey, go ahead.
6 Charlie Whiskey, just off of Kilo 24, IFR to Bowman Field.
616 Charlie Whiskey, squawk 4205.
4205, 616 Charlie Whiskey.
And Blue Streak, unfortunately, Blue Streak 5145, there are some Charlottes ahead of you, and metering is in effect unable shortcuts. Sorry about that.
Hey, no worries, I appreciate you trying.
Air 6 Charlie Whiskey, radar contact 2 miles north of the Russell County Airport. London altimeter 3010. Say your current altitude.
2,800, 616 Charlie Whiskey.
Charlie Whiskey, altitude check. Leaving 3,000. To Louisville Bowman Field via direct. Maintain 6,000.
3,000 direct Bowman, 6,000, 616 Charlie Whiskey.
There's 174 Delta Hotel. Contact Atlanta Center 127.55.
2755, 174 Delta Hotel.
2 Alpha Sierra. Contact Lexington approach 120.15. 2015.
2015. See you. Lexington, hello. Pilatus 132 Alpha Sierra, 7.7 descending 4,000. Weather NOTAMs at Danville.
Pilatus 132 Alpha Sierra, Lexington approach, Lexington altimeter 3008. Descend and maintain 3,000. Expect a visual into Danville.
3008 down to 3,000. We'll expect that visual into Danville for 132 Alpha Sierra.
Pilatus 2 Alpha Sierra for Danville. The runway 31, the PAPI's unserviceable, 31 localizer, DME unserviceable, the NDB's unserviceable, and runway 119er is closed.
Roger, thank you. I see 3,000, 1,100 feet per minute. Outside air temperature is 6. Air super is open. Checks for some icing. Pop out here in just a second. Cool. Pilot clear. To the west. Cool. Yeah, we can cancel. All right. And Lexington, Pilatus 132 Alpha Sierra. We have the fuel on site. We'll go ahead and cancel with you guys.
132 Alpha Sierra, IFR cancellation received. Squawk VFR change to advisory frequency approved. Good day.
VFR, thanks for the help. 132 Alpha Sierra.
See ya.
Danville traffic, Pilatus 132 Alpha Sierra is 18 miles to the west, inbound runway 31, Danville.
Jamestown traffic, Air 47 Zulu is final 01, touch and go 01, Jamestown.
Covering the traffic, just for traffic fast, U3, runway 1, covering the traffic. Covering the traffic, just clear your traffic, 3, Bravo 1.
Jamestown traffic, 747 Zulu, short final, touch and go 01, Jamestown.
Smithville traffic, 660, Charlie 4
Ew.
mile, runway 6, Smithville.
Going. And I see it right there. I see the hangers. It's tight. Two five set.
Jamestown.
And Danville, Polaris 132, officers 10 to the west, will be sending up to the left base runway 31, Danville.
Pacific traffic, and you say 310 miles to the northwest. We're here in the midst, we're right down from runway 26, Pacific traffic.
Yep. And if you don't mind, kill my flight director.
FD away.
Thank you.
Danville, Polaris 132, officers, a 5-mile left base runway 31, full stop, Danville.
Okay, and speed checks gear.
Speed checks, gear down.
Down 3 green, speed checks left 15.
Speed checks, just left 15.
One 1.9 to intercept.
Looking good. Danville traffic, Polaris 132, officers, final runway 31, full stop, Danville.
And speed checks flaps
2 more
30.
traffic, 2-4
Speed
Victor
checks,
Alpha,
flaps,
we are 10 miles to the south. We'll be entering a left downwind 432.
Taxi and landing lights,
We're all lit up.
ice protection,
As required, our super is open.
gear,
And down 3 green.
I see it. Flaps,
And 30 set indicating.
cabin pressure,
And we are below 0.7. Yellow dampener is off.
perfect, APL
Danville
hands
traffic,
away.
flight 173 Victors, about 8 miles to the east, inbound.
500.
We're
Danville.
continuing.
Danville.
Go to field sight.
Looking good.
County traffic, 71547 Zulu is approximately 10 miles to the inbound 05. 100 Scott County.
Pacific, Skyek 5168 is 10 miles to the north. We'll be crossing the midfield, teardrop, left down runway 25, capital city.
Minimums.
Continuing. Big bird. Bird.
Good miss.
Cool. Yep. Flaps up. Condition lever. Ground idle. Oh, big old bird.
Dude, yeah, good miss there. Condition lever.
And we're ground idle.
Timer.
And timers. Start one.
Flaps.
Started. Set. Indicating 15.
Trims.
And we're all in the green now.
Danville traffic 70 Victor is
As required.
5 to the southeast, inbound for 4531
Nice
Danville.
prediction.
And we got it as required. Probes are off.
Perfect. And radar.
Danville traffic plus 132 Alpha Sierra, clear for runway 31 Danville.
Radar is standby. Don't mind. Watch that wing. We should be plenty of room, but
Look at on my side. Plenty of room on my side.
cool.
The Hobbs over there.
Yes, sir. Got 1899.0. Wait just now, about 10 seconds.
Okay.
All right, it's 2 minutes.
available.